In this video, we'll talk about custom audiences. So in our last video, we have discussed about one of the type of custom audience, that is your custom affinity. But in this video, we'll talk about custom intent audience. So now we know that in our normal audiences, what we have, what Google has given us by default, that is like affinity audience and in-market audience. So in our in-market audience, we already have categories over there given by Google, and we can divide people, we can target people based on those categories. Okay, but now if you want to target, let's say, in-market audience by your understanding, by your own keywords, then you can go for custom intent. Okay, so custom intent is nothing but same like a custom your in-market audience only. Okay, where you can target people basis of their keywords, what they're searching in the search engine, or what they're planning to purchase the product. Getting it? Based on that scenario, you can target people. So same thing is applicable over here as well. You can give an audience name. For example, uh, I'll give the same example. Let's say people searching for my product shoes. Okay, I can go with in-market keywords and Google search terms as well. Okay, let's say if I go with in-market keywords, so what does it mean? That people who are actively researching, okay, are planning to purchase this kind of products, they're searching this kind of keywords. For example, buy shoes online. Okay, so one I can add multiple keywords over here. You can see that they have given me ideas as well. So people searching for this kind of keywords, I can add them, and then I can see the audience size as well over here. So in audience size, I can see the weekly estimates, like how many impressions I'll be getting, what will the age criteria, gender criteria, and parental status criteria. So over here, I can target people. Okay, I can customize the audience. Okay, in an in-market audience, what Google has given already categories have been decided. Okay, you just have to choose from the categories. But over here, if you don't want to go with the categories, you want to customize it on your own, then you can go for custom intent audience, where you have an option to target your own audience by going with in-market keywords, or you can go with Google search terms as well. Okay, so you can decide on this, and you can start with creating your own audience. Okay, you have to make sure you go with these tips as well. Think like a customer when you create your list. So obviously what you will be searching to get that product. For example, let's say I'm giving digital marketing courses. I have to consider myself as a customer, like what I will be searching to get the digital marketing course. So digital marketing courses online, digital marketing courses in Bangalore, getting it. So I have to think like as a customer and add at least 50 keywords, starting with the keywords from your search campaigns. So there's a recommendation from Google, like add at least 50 keywords, and we can use Google Keyword Planner as well for getting the good keyword researches for doing this targeting part. So I hope you have clearly understood what is custom intent audience and the, let's say, usage of custom intent audience. Thank you.